Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the horn on a Tesla Model 3. First, ensure your vehicle is powered off and the 12-volt battery is safely disconnected to prevent electrical hazards. Gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a socket wrench set, and your new horn. Knowing the horn's location behind the front bumper is key for a smooth replacement process. To access the horn, you'll need to carefully remove the lower front bumper trim panels. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your paint. Once the trim is off, you can locate the existing horn assembly, usually mounted with a single bolt. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab, then use a socket wrench to unbolt the old horn from its mounting bracket. Now, take your new horn and securely attach it to the existing mounting bracket using the original bolt. Make sure it's snug and won't vibrate loose. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to your new horn. Listen for a click to confirm it's properly seated. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and the horn is firmly in place before proceeding. With the new horn installed, it's time to reconnect the 12-volt battery. Once power is restored, test the horn to ensure it's working correctly. If it sounds good, carefully reattach the front bumper trim panels, making sure they align perfectly and snap into place. Finally, confirm all your tools are put away and your work area is clear. You've successfully changed your Tesla Model 3 horn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.